I know it might be a little late, but today I'm gonna show you how to make roscón.
And before you even ask,
Yes, I'm from Spain.
so
We don't say Rosca de Reyes, we say roscón. Say it with me. Roscón. So let's do it.
So to kick things off, you are gonna start by mixing your dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, a little baking powder, and softened butter. And finally, a zest of a lemon or a lime. In a separate bowl, warm up some milk. I use coconut milk and add the yeast with some sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once it's ready, pour it into the dry ingredients. Add some anise and the orange essence, don't forget. Add 2 eggs. Now, it's time to knead the dough. It's my favorite part. Work it until it's smooth and elastic. This step takes a little bit of patience. Once it's ready, let it rest overnight in the fridge. The next day, bring the dough to room temperature. Shape it into a ring and let it rise again for another 30 minutes minimum. After, you're gonna have to brush it with the egg wash that we have prepared. A little bit of water and a little bit of egg. Then we add our toppings. Sliced almonds, coconut flakes, and pearl sugar. Bake the roscón at 350 for about 30 minutes. While it's baking, whip up some heavy cream until it's light and fluffy. Then let it chill in the fridge. Okay, 30 minutes up. Time to take the puppy out of the oven. Now we have to let it cool down before we cut it in half. So we cut it in half and we spread the whipped cream, the best filling. And that's it. You've made a traditional Spanish roscón. Woohoo!
Thanks for watching episode 1 of Cooking with John
And Iván.